Hi, my name is Ammu. I am 3 years old. I live with my big, happy family. Do you want to meet them? This is my father. He is very kind and works in an office. He loves to play with me after work. This is my mother. She makes yummy food and tells me stories. I love her very much. This is my elder brother. His name is Arjun, and he is 5 years old. We play games together every day. These are my grandparents. They tell me stories and love me so much. This is my family. We are very happy together. If you want to learn speaking English with me, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.